Afternoon. Finally got here after some travelling. Absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see that. It's absolutely amazing. It's like a huge lake. I suppose like in front of the god there's a huge lake. Apparently like crystal rainbow lake. Anyway, we're here and I've got the new goggles, binoculars. Sungal have 15 to 50 some time ago, but it's really interesting to see 30 to 60 in this range with anti-glare. Really nice. Should we have a look to see what we can see? The birds. Right, I'm focusing and yeah, focusing, and Christ, these are powerful. Yeah, really good. 1,000 meters. I'm going to enjoy these this afternoon. This is Royal News.